Good morning, student of class 4th. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, welcome back to your EVS class. Today, date is 14 June 2021, and I am teaching you chapter number 2nd, our internal organ. Okay, so let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So student, in the previous video, the internal organs which I have already explained you, that is the brain, heart, lungs, stomach, kidney. These are the internal organs which I have already explained you in the previous video. Now in today's video, now I will explain you bones. So if you press your body, okay, press your body different parts like your chest, your hands, your leg, you will feel some hard thing. So what is this, student? This is your bones, because our body is made up of a framework of a bone. Is it clear? Framework of our body is made of framework is it clear? So the things, when we press our body, for example, the hard things which we feel, that are the bones of the body, and our body is made up of framework of bones, and this framework of bones is known as skeleton. Okay, this is known as skeleton. You can also write, or you can also write skeleton. So these skeleton give shape to our body. Is it clear? And this skeleton give shape to our body, and what important role is played by these bones? As we know, there are many internal organs in our body which we are unable to see. So these bones also protect the internal organs, or you can say it also protect the delicate organs of the body. Delicate means the organs which are very soft. For example, your chest bone, or you can say it as a rib cage. So these bones protect the lungs and heart, and the bones of your head, that is your skull bones, and it protect the brain. It protect the brain. So student, bones, our body is made of framework of bones, and this framework of bones is known as skeleton. So in a, for example, in a adult human beings, the total number of bones, total number of total number of bones in adult human being 206 bones. Is it clear? Total number of bones in an adult human being is 206. So these skeleton system or this framework of bones give shape to our body. It also support our body. Is it clear? So and another important function of this bone is that they protect soft internal part of a body, or you can say they also protect the delicate organs of the body. For example, the bones of your chest, you can also say it as a rib cage. So it protect heart, lungs, and in the same manner the bones of your head, that is inside the skull, the delicate organ which is protected by this skull is the brain. So what is a brain? uh, so this is the complete explanation of the bones. Okay, the hard thing which we feel when we touch our body, that is known as bones, and these bones form a framework of the body that is known as skeleton, and these bones also protect the delicate organs of the body like heart, brain, lungs. Okay, so this is your bones. After that, the next topic which is given, that is the muscles. Okay, see student, when we touch our body at different parts, okay, or different places, so you feel some soft areas also. Okay, for example, when you touch your body some hard things, you feel some very hard things. For example, you touch this your finger, some hard things you are feeling, your hand. Okay, so what are these hard things? These hard things are bones. In the same manner, when you touch your body at different places, you will feel some soft things also. So some soft areas also, and these are muscles. These are muscles. Okay, there are more than 600 muscles in our body. So muscles play a very important role, because I have already just explained you when I am explaining you about the bones. So framework of bones is known as skeleton. So with the help of these muscles, when how the movement of this muscle take place in, okay, we know that our body is made of a framework that is known as skeleton, and how we have movement in this bones due to these muscles. Is it clear? Due to these muscle there is a movement in our body. हम walk करते हैं, jump करते हैं, sit करते हैं, stand करते हैं, run करते हैं. So all these things are possible due to our muscles. Is it clear? And how many muscles in a human being? That is more than 600 muscles. And how this is possible? The movement of the bones, the movement of the bone is possible due to these muscles. When these muscles are attached to the bones, and with the contraction and relaxation of these muscles, the bones, there is a movement in the bones. Is it clear? So how bones how movement how movement how movement in our bones. Is it clear? So question is how movement is possible in our bones. So answer is muscles help them to move. And how this is possible? This is possible by contraction and relaxation of muscles. Causes the movement of bones. Is it clear? So see student, how movement in our bones take place? This is due to muscle help them to move. And how this is possible? This is possible by contraction and relaxation of muscles. Is it clear? This is possible due to the movement of bones take place due to the muscles. Muscles are attached to these bones. Is it clear? Muscles are attached to the bones, and due to muscles there is a movement in the bones. And what is this? Due to contraction and a relaxation of muscles causes the movement of bones. That is the reason, due to this movement only we can walk, run, jump, play, hold a thing or throw the things. So all these things is possible due to the muscles. सारी चीजें किसकी वजह से पॉसिबल हो रही हैं बेटा? मसल्स की वजह से पॉसिबल हो रही हैं. ठीक है. और इवन स्टूडेंट, दीज मसल्स आर आल्सो प्रेजेंट इन देयर इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स आल्सो. जो आपके इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स है ना, उनमें भी ये मसल्स प्रेजेंट्स हैं. ठीक है. दीज मसल्स आर आल्सो प्रेजेंट इन देयर इंटरनल organs. And when you will study about muscles in the higher classes, then there are different types of muscles: voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles. So you will study this thing in their higher class. Some muscles are in our control. Is it clear? Then in the higher classes you will study about different types of muscles also. Here in class 4 you are only understanding the introduction of the muscles, ki what is the muscles and what role is played by these muscle in our body. See, our body is made up of a framework of a bone that is known as a skeleton, and this skeleton gives shape to the body, it support the body. And now if there are no muscles in the body, then the movement of a bones is possible. So answer is no. So the answer is no. So what type of a function played by muscles? By the contraction and relaxation of the muscles, the movement of the bones is possible. You sit, stand, jump, play games, run, all these things are possible due to these due to the muscles, because due to these muscles there is a movement in the bones. And another important thing is that these muscles are also present in our internal organs also. And little explanation I want to give you, it is not given in your book, but I tell you, when you will go in higher classes and study about the muscles, then muscles are voluntary and involuntary type. Voluntary muscles means the muscles those who movements are in our control, ठीक है, ऐसी मसल्स जिनकी मूवमेंट हमारे कंट्रोल में होती है, ठीक है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेग है, ठीक है। अब लेग जब आप रिलैक्स पोजीशन में बैठे हो, ठीक है, सो कुछ मूवमेंट्स ऐसी हैं इनवॉलेंट्री मसल्स होती हैं जिनकी जो मूवमेंट्स होती हैं वो हमारे कंट्रोल में हैं, ठीक है। जैसे अगर आप एक जगह पे बैठे हो या टीचर ने कह दिया कि यू स्टैंड हियर और यू सिट, then at that time there is no movement in your body, ठीक है। जैसे आप वॉक करोगे, ठीक है, जब आप वॉक करोगे तब भी आपकी मसल्स यूज होंगी वॉकिंग के लिए, ठीक है। तो उनको हमने कुछ मसल्स को हमने इस कैटेगरी में रखा जो हमारे कंट्रोल में है, ठीक है, जिनको हम और कुछ मसल्स ऐसी हैं जो हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, ठीक है, जिनकी जो दे डू देयर वर्क बाय देयर ओन, ठीक है, दे डू देयर वर्क बाय देयर ओन, दे आर नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल, सो वो आ जाएंगी आपकी इनवॉलेंट्री मसल्स। इसमें आपके मसल्स आ जाती हैं स्टमक की, इंटेस्टाइन्स की, लंग्स की, ठीक है, तो ये आ जाते हैं जो आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं है। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट मसल्स। Did you know? Very good point given in did you know? We need 200 muscles to take just one step. अगर आप वन स्टेप चल रहे हो तो आपकी 200 मसल्स यूज हो रही जस्ट फॉर वन स्टेप। इज इट क्लियर? सो now 2 words here I have tell you, contraction and relaxation. So what does it mean? I write on the board and explain you. Contraction. Contraction. It means the process in which muscles become shorter and tighter. ठीक है, कॉन्ट्रैक्शन, ठीक है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल द प्रोसेस इन विच मसल्स become shorter and tighter. So contractions, for example, आप किसी चीज को उठा रहे हो, ठीक है, जैसे आप अपना बैग ही उठाते हो, ठीक है, अगर कोई चीज नीचे है, अगर आप उसको उठा रहे हो तो उस समय जब आप उठा रहे हो उसको इस तरह, ठीक है, तो उस समय मसल्स को, जो मसल्स का इस केस में क्या होगा, कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होगा, ठीक है। तो मसल जब कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होता है तो वो क्या होती है, शॉर्टर हो जाती है, इट बिकम शॉर्टर एंड टाइट। इज इट क्लियर? सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप एक्सरसाइज करते हो, अपनी बॉडी ऐसे करते हो, तो इफ यू टच दिस पोर्शन, तो यहाँ पे आपकी मसल्स क्या है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो गई, एंड इफ यू टच दिस पोर्शन इट बिकम टाइट। अगर आप नॉर्मल हैंड है आपका, if it is normal, then up when you turn your hand in this manner, okay, this manner we show our muscle to someone. So in this position, what happening, there is a contraction of a muscles, and if you touch this portion it become tight. Okay, so this is one movement. Another movement, or in one sense easy, you can also understand in this manner also, when we apply the force, जब हम फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं मतलब ताकत लगाते हैं, तो फोर्स मतलब क्या होता है, पुल और पुश। इज इट क्लियर? उसमें हम लोग पुल करते हैं, या ठीक है, किसी चीज को पुल कर रहे हैं या पुश कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। तो दैट इज आल्सो अ रीजन। जब हम पुल कर रहे हैं किसी चीज को, तो क्या हो रहा है, कंट्रैक्शन हो रहा है मसल्स, ठीक है, जब हम पुल कर रहे हैं। सो एट दैट टाइम योर मसल्स बिकम शॉर्टर एंड टाइट। अनदर इज रिलैक्सेशन। The process of making muscles long and relaxed. ठीक है, सो रिलैक्सेशन, द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग मसल्स लॉन्ग एंड रिलैक्स। ठीक है, तो जैसे लंग्स के केस में आप लोगों को बताया था ना, जब एयर अंदर जाती है तो वो एक्सपेंड करता है, और व्हेन वी ब्रीथ आउट देन द लंग्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। ठीक है, तो मसल्स भी ऐसे ही वर्क करती हैं, कंट्रैक्शन और रिलैक्सेशन। ठीक है, ड्यू टू द कंट्रैक्शन एंड रिलैक्सेशन ऑफ द मसल्स, in this way the muscles also work, and due to these muscles only the movement in the bones take place. Movement of the bones is possible due to these muscles, because these muscles are attached to the bones, because these muscles are attached to the bones for the movement. So today student, chapter number 2, complete explanation of the chapter, that is our internal organs, we have completed. Now we will start with the page number 14. We will start with the keywords. ठीक है, first definition is given, digest. So that I have already explained you what is digestion. Digestion, it is a process in which the food is broken down into smaller pieces so that it can be easily absorbed by the body. ठीक है, digest mean break down of food into a very smaller pieces so that it can be absorbed by the body, so that it can be absorbed by the body. Second is skeleton. Just now I explained you the framework of bones in our body. The framework of bones in our body is known as skeleton, and skeleton give shape to our body, shape and support to our body, and the movement of these bones is possible due to muscles, and these skeleton also protect the delicate organs of the body. Delicate organs of the body, or even you can say skeleton protect the internal organs of the body. Delicate organs also, and all the internal organs of the body. Then contraction and relaxation, which are given in keyword, that I have already discussed. Now let us discuss things to remember. These are very important points, student. Things to remember. Whenever you are doing the study of any chapter, please don't ignore this, because these points are the complete summary of all the chapter. After the explanation, in the last page of the chapter, it is given things to remember. Please read this point 2-3 times. After reading this point, if all the things are clear to you, it means you are able to understand the chapter. All the topics are clear. For example, if I read the first point, the different organs of our body, do different function. See, in the beginning of the chapter, I have already explained you that our body is made up of different parts. Is it clear? Our body is made of different parts, and these part do their functions. ठीक है, सबके अपने अपने functions हैं. Is it clear? Second है brain, heart, lungs, kidney, stomach, bones and muscles are some of the internal organs of our body. ठीक है. So now when I told you that the body is made up of different parts, after that I give you explanation that according to different part, it is divided into two groups or two categories. One is known as external organs and one is known as internal organ. Internal organs which we are unable to see with our eyes. So all these organs, brain, heart, lungs, kidney, stomach, bones, muscles, these all are the internal organs of the body. Next point है brain is the control center of the body. See, that is the reason these points are very important. If after reading this point, if you are able to understand, it means a concept, the things which you have studied in this chapter, all concepts are clear. I have already explained you which is the controlling center of the human body, that is the brain. Brain controls all the organs of the body. ठीक है, brain control organs of the body. Next है lungs help in absorbing oxygen that we breathe in and throwing out carbon dioxide through nose. We have two lungs. So this is very clear. How many lungs we have? Two. And what is the function of these lungs is to absorb oxygen. ठीक है, is to absorb oxygen in the blood and release of carbon dioxide from the blood, because when we breathe out, then the carbon dioxide is out through their nose. Next है kidney helping throwing out liquid waste produced in our body in the form of a urine. We have two kidneys. So this thing I already explained you. How many kidneys in human body? That is two. And what is the function of the kidney? The function of the kidney is to filter the blood. Is it clear? The function of the kidney is to filter the blood, and kidney remove liquid waste of the body. Which type of waste that is removed by the kidney? That is the liquid waste of the body, and this liquid waste is known as urine. And you know where urine is collected? That part of the that organ of the body is known as urinary bladder, and through the urethra the urine removed from the body. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट स्टमक हेल्प इन डाइजेस्टिंग फूड. देखो ऑलरेडी मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में मेनी पार्ट्स भी आई हैव डिस्कस विद यू. माउथ है, फूड पाइप है, stomach है, small intestine, large intestine, and two glands also, that is liver and pancreas. But the maximum time the food remain in our stomach, that is 3 to 4 hours. The process of digestion take place in the stomach. Maximum time the food is in our stomach. नेक्स्ट है बोन्स मेक ए फ्रेमवर्क कॉल्ड इट स्केलेटन. इट गिव शेप एंड सपोर्ट टू आवर बॉडी. इट आल्सो हेल्प इन प्रोटेक्टिंग सॉफ्ट इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स. सो द फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ द बोन इज नोन एज स्केलेटन. ठीक है. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट. वी विल कंटिन्यू दिस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.